Hazrat Ibn Shihab reports, prayer was performed over every dead child, though he was of a prostitute, because he had been born with the ingrained potential to embrace Islam. If his parents or only the father is a Muslim, though his mother is a non-Muslim, and if he cries after his birth, funeral prayer will be performed over him. And whoso does not cry, his funeral prayer will not be performed, because he has been miscarried. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu narrates that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "No child is born but with the right nature. Then his parents make him a Jew or a Christian or a Magian, as every animal is born with perfect limbs. Do you see one born with a mutilated ear?" Then Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu said, "The established pattern of Allah upon which He has created mankind." Surah Ar-Rum verse 30. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1358.